So this is Paxton from Paxton Projects, and today I'll talk to you about the difference of these two bikes.
You're watching Paxton's Projects.
So this one's electric and this one's motorized. So I'm going to tell you what the electric bike needs if I were to fix this one, and what the gas one needs if I need to fix it. So this one, tires, this doesn't work. You probably need to try the switch. The motor probably doesn't work. The brakes, like it doesn't even have a cord. Handlebar grips, and tires. So they're bad.
How much would it cost to replace the motor?
The motor is $258. That's a lot. The battery cost on Amazon is $250. That's a lot for a battery. And the electric bike brand new on Amazon is $900. $900. Okay, now we move on to this one. So this one's older than my dad. This one's cool. It's from the 790s, 1970s. And this one needs work, just like that one. So the parts are really cheap on this thing, like kickstart, spark plugs, carburetors, the clutch, pretty much everything. So if you were to fix this thing up and get it running and driving, and this one to be fixed up and running and driving, this one will be way more money. And yeah, this one's going to be my new project. So stay tuned to my next video.